being in a large OEM's design headquarter, if you like, global design headquarter, with a much larger design team, then suddenly it makes you much more a specialist. You become part of a team which specializes in one particular typology and one particular task. So I was in the exterior design team, and we were only responsible for a range of vehicles, and then there's another team which is responsible for a different range of vehicles. So rather than being the all-rounder that you had to be at Bentley or at Bugatti in Italdesign, you become more a specialist in a particular thing. I think it's an upside to it, because rather than diversity, now you have a much higher degree of focus. So you can work to a higher degree of resolution and perfection because you're so focused on one single thing. I also particularly enjoyed at Mercedes just being in a completely different design structure, different design thinking, a different design methodology to the Volkswagen Group. So yet again, an exciting experience for me. And it's just, with every single experience, you just learn so much more and improve.